Cloud pruning, also known as Niwaki in Japanese, is a traditional Japanese gardening technique that involves shaping and sculpting trees and shrubs into abstract, cloud-like forms. It is a meticulous and artistic pruning method that creates striking and surreal landscapes reminiscent of Japanese gardens. Here's an overview of the technique and its key elements. Cloud pruning involves selective pruning of branches to create a sculptural form resembling clouds or other organic shapes. Gardeners carefully remove branches and foliage to reveal the underlying structure of the plant while maintaining its overall health and vitality. Cloud pruning is as much an art form as it is a gardening technique. It requires a keen artistic vision and a deep understanding of the natural growth patterns of the plant. Gardeners use their creativity to sculpt the foliage into aesthetically pleasing shapes, often drawing inspiration from nature and traditional Japanese design principles. Achieving the desired cloud-like form requires patience and precision. Gardeners must carefully shape each branch and foliage cluster, often using hand pruners or shears to make precise cuts. The process can be time-consuming, particularly for larger plants or complex designs, but the results are well worth the effort. Cloud-pruned plants require regular maintenance to preserve their shape and appearance. Gardeners typically perform touch-up pruning throughout the growing season to remove any new growth that detracts from the desired form. Additionally, periodic rejuvenation pruning may be necessary to maintain the overall health and vigor of the plant. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, cloud pruning carries symbolic and cultural significance in Japanese gardening tradition. The sculptural forms created through this technique are often associated with tranquility, harmony, and the ephemeral beauty of nature. Cloud-pruned plants are commonly featured in Japanese gardens, where they contribute to the overall ambience and spiritual atmosphere. Overall, cloud pruning is a captivating gardening technique that combines artistry, horticulture, and cultural symbolism. It offers a unique way to transform ordinary plants into living sculptures, adding a touch of elegance and whimsy to any garden or landscape.